Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Track and field is where we begin, as double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson and Genevieve Russell were the Jamaican victors at today's Diamond League meeting in London. Keon Reyna reports.
Running in a specially designed footwear with the shorter than usual spikes, Thompson sent the strongest warning yet that she's ready to win her first world title next month. This by speeding to 10.94 seconds into a negative headwind of 1.4 meters per second at the London Diamond League meet on Sunday.
Away this time now, then who gets it? Does Skippers get away well? Is Thompson coming through very strongly? Is it Skippers? On the far side it's Eckinson, and here comes the... Oh, look at this from the Olympic champion Elaine Thompson. That surge over the last 20 metres in 10.95. My goodness me. It was very, very even until all of a sudden the afterburners went off. It was absolutely superb. 10.94, it's rounded down.
After the race, Thompson, the world leader with 10.71 seconds, told Reuters that her Nike spikes has been hurting her Achilles, so she decided to run in her flats. Olympic finalist Genevieve Russell, who failed to secure her ticket to the World Championships at last month's trials, destroyed a strong field in the 400-meter hurdles with a season's best 54.02 seconds. Fellow Jamaicans Leah Nugent with 55.02 and Ristanana Tracy 55.61 were 7th and 9th respectively. In the women's 400 meters, American Allyson Felix sped to a world-leading 49.65 seconds, relegating Jamaica's Noveline Williams-Mills with 50.60 and Sharika Jackson 50.77 to 4th and 5th respectively.
But she lasts so well down the home straight, enters the home straight with about a 2-meter lead. Good running from Shamir Little on the inside in 2. Shamir Little with the strength of 400-meter hurdler coming at these athletes, but look at Felix striding away. This is Allyson Felix getting close to her best. Wins in 49.66 from Allyson Felix. That is the quickest time in the world this year.
Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Dwyer faded badly in the last 50 meters of the 200 meters to 7th in 20.49 seconds, won by American Amir Webb in 20.13 seconds. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.